So having done real estate since 2004, I've learned that great real estate deals have to be made. They don't make themselves. So today I would like to document a deal, a transaction that we're doing right now. I had a local real estate investor call me. He's buying a house on a lease purchase, a lease option, and his option time frame has expired. So he wants me to step in and be the bank to take him out so we can close this deal, right? So we're gonna take you to the property. You're gonna see the neighborhood. We're gonna walk inside the house. We're gonna go over the numbers here so you see what I look for to determine whether we can make a great deal so you can get out there and do a great real estate transaction yourself, okay? Let's do it. Okay, class, it's Chris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. So today I would like to take you along with us as we document the deals that we're doing. Sometimes I just don't have time just to stand up here and teach. I got to bring you into the field because this is how it happens, blow by blow. So a few weeks back, a real estate investor contacted us. He's buying a house on a lease purchase. That's where you have an option to buy with a lease, right? It's two different transactions all wrapped up into one. However, the caveat to this one is he's also selling it on a lease purchase. So let's go over those numbers, all right? So he's buying it. His purchase price to buy it on his option is $45,000, right? He's getting it for $45,000. The monthly rent, he's got a tenant in there, is paying $895, let's just say $900 a month, right? The repairs, we're gonna go over that together because I don't know yet till we get to the house. And, so I've got a question mark there. I'm not quite sure how that worked. I'm not quite sure what the numbers are on that yet. But he sold it to another tenant buyer for $89,000. So I want you to make sure you get this. He's buying it on a lease option, for $45,000. Selling it on a lease option for $89,000. All right, make sure I know it might be might wrap your mind up a little bit, but you've got to get this if you want to make great deals. Okay, now this is what we call a sandwich lease option. So you or him, Adam, actually being the investor, is like the meat in between the two pieces of bread. Okay, so he's buying, selling, and he'll keep the profit in between those two. What he wants me to do now. The tricky thing is why I don't actually promote sandwich lease options to new investors or even in general, but you do need to know how they work. What has happened is his option time frame has expired. So when he told his seller that he's buying for $45,000, listen, Mr. Seller, I'm going to purchase your house for $45,000, but I want to lease it for 3 years or however long he did it. His time frame has expired on his lease. On his purchase, his option. So he's asked me to step in and take his seller out on this $45,000. Let me repeat that. He now has to come up with the $45,000 to give to the seller, right? He's been leasing it, actually subleasing it to a tenant, right? I don't know what he's been paying the homeowner, but he's been subleasing it, making $900 a month. Now it's time for him to come up with this $45,000 to pay the seller. Now you got to pay the piper. So what happens with lease options is if your option, something happens here, you don't want to jeopardize the buyer's lease option for $89,000. This is what makes Adam have to contact me to bring the money to take his seller out. All right. So we're going to take, I'm thinking about putting up this $45,000. Then he will pay me monthly rent based on his tenant paying $895 to him. And then he'll pay me a fee. We haven't negotiated that yet. That way I am going to turn into the bank. I'm turning into the bank. Let me tell you, my real estate career didn't really blow up until I understand how money works. It's actually nothing but concepts where we have money, we deploy it, and it brings back, as the richest man in Babylon says, children, right? Your money will go out and bring back friends. So in this case, we're just putting up money. Adam is going to collect his rent and then pay us a fee for us just putting out that money to buy the house, right? Or take him out. So when he ends up selling the house for $89,000, that'll take me out, get Adam his profit in between here, and we're done with it. But while he's holding on to it, he'll have to pay me for renting my money, right? Renting our money. So this is what we call a sandwich lease option. And we've had to make this thing work. Adam and I have been going back and forth over the phone for the last few weeks. Now it's time to look at the property and see if this is something I want to do. So let's go over to the house together. And I want you to pay close attention to the repairs that need to be done. Take a look at the tenant, roof, windows, siding, flooring, electrical, plumbing, all that stuff. You have to take a mental note as you're walking through these houses so you can estimate repairs quickly, okay? Now listen, we've passed 85,000 subscribers. If I'm pouring into you, I am just so thankful that you allow me to serve you. I'm just a servant. I'm just a servant. My mission is so big. It has just afforded me the opportunity to meet people all around the world. And today I want to once again say thank you as we pass 85,000 subscribers. Roundup, I love you. Let's get over to this house. Beautiful, beautiful day. Wow. This is the James River as we cross the Monitor Merrimack. We'll keep panning around as we cross the Monitor Merrimack. You guys are in such for a tree living both sides. It's beautiful. And we've got double tunnels. You can see over here. This is heading towards downtown Portsmouth. This is absolutely gorgeous. You see the skyline over there. We're going to head to the Portsmouth area. Okay, so we're getting closer to the property here. We've got a Dollar General on the left. We've got the homies walking on foot. Always the arrow down when you got homies on foot, y'all. Always the arrow down. So just to keep that in mind, when you got the homies on the foot, it's challenging because some people don't like living next to foot traffic. So we got the Dollar General back there. And then if you look, Wig Central. Wig Central, I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know.
Take the next right onto Charles Avenue, then turn right onto Beacon Road.
All right, so we're gonna turn here. Not too bad, not too bad. Don't love it, but ain't too bad. We got a multifamily here. Somebody turned that into a multifamily, looks like. Another multifamily there.
Take the next right onto Road, then your destination will be on the right.
Okay, let me do this. Let me back out of here. So the neighborhood isn't super bad. Oh man, darn, look, the sign, somebody hit the street sign, broke the street sign. Good Lord. All right, we got people who got traffic over there. We got a lot of bags down on the ground there. And I don't necessarily like that, but you smell that? Look on the right over there, Taylor. We got more multifamilies, which is not good. Multifamilies in residential areas, I do not like. I don't even remember the address. So this is the street here, y'all. Oh man, look at that one. Whenever you have table and chairs in the front yard, round up. I'm here to tell you. And once again, I'm not judging nobody. This is strictly coming from a business perspective. I don't want to have, what is it, a ladder hanging off there?
Oh.
What in the world? Ladder chilling off this house? You've got to be joking. Where does Adam have this at? So we got a table and chairs here chilling, right? And further, what happened to the side of the car? What happened to that car, you think, too? Those clothes look like they've been out there for quite a while. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into. You can stop. All right, so we're here. This one's not too bad. We just saw a po-po drive by. Taylor, what did you think about the police driving by?
They had very old school police cars. It was like, it looked very old.
I don't like this house here. I'm curious what's going on there. Try to keep it as much on the ground as you can for that steady. What do you think is going on there, Taylor?
I don't know. Rusted roof. That is metal?
Rusty roof having bruh.
Is it metal?
Yeah, metal roof. You ready, buddy? Looks like an older house, so.
No.
So let's look at the deck. I mean, the front porch here. Not bad. Doesn't feel too bad. So we shall see. Let's come on in.
Oh, are you on the phone?
How you doing, bro?
No, I don't wait. These people, my wife got somebody on the phone. You go upstairs.
Okay, thank you, brother. Okay.
You check what you want.
So I guess we'll start up here and let's see. Air conditioning doesn't feel too bad. Doesn't feel too bad up here. I feel like that might be the bathroom there. Somebody's in there. Yeah. So we got bedroom here. Oh, this is a nice little closet nook you got here. It looks like these people have really been taking care of this thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They really have, man. They really have. So Taylor, give us a nice pan from over there. Is this baseboard heat?
Yes.
It looks like they have window units. Doesn't feel too bad. Doesn't feel too bad. So far, I'm not mad at it, really. You got old wood trim here, which I do not necessarily like, but if they want to match it up, you can. There's another bedroom. Just give them a pan from there, be fine. We got a smaller closet here. So you see the closet comes out from here to there, but not too bad. It looks good.
Yes, ma'am. You did a good job.
This is nice. Looks like the window units are doing a pretty good job. Oh, let me narrate this. You rolling, buddy? So we got that here. Toilet looks okay. Come on in, buddy. So the tub, eventually, this is probably going to have to get redone here. You see the caulking is getting old, that brown around the base of the surround. It's going to have to get redone eventually. This is an old, very, very extremely inexpensive surround. I don't like them. Water gets behind them, but not too bad. See how our window is right here. Got a new window, looks good. Not mad at that, really, not too bad. Thank you, my brother. Who is that? I hear somebody yapping.
There's a little dog in there. None of these dogs.
Okay. We can give him a pan from there, Taylor.
Okay.
You set it down flat. We'll give a nice pan. Kitchen looks good. The air conditioner, the window units do pretty good in here. I'm not even mad at it. What's back here?
That's the way where the washing machine dry.
Okay, washer dryer. Coming in too. We can stay right there, give them a pan so they can see everything. So this floor eventually we have to get done. Wash machine. And then we got hot water heater here. It's not bad. Hot water heater is eventually we have to probably do that too. So something's going on here. Not really like it here, but it ain't super bad. You get everything in here? Let me see one time, Taylor. I want to find out what's going on here with that drain going out the window. We'll look into that out back. We're going straight through. Is it another room right here?
There's no.
Yeah, let's do it.
What type of dog is in here?
There's a little mud in there.
He's having a little fit. Okay, buddy, we'll be out your way in 2 seconds. Those 2 bedrooms upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, the one down here.
Sash was really worried.
This is like a little den area?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
this is
gonna
another
be
bedroom.
a den.
Okay, this is a bedroom.
No, it was bedroom. It's gonna be a den now. It's all stuff.
Okay.
Took everything out.
This is another bedroom. Window looks good. Okay, I'm good.
You on the sewer. It's for the sewer.
This looks really cool, man. Looks like the foundation is looking good, Taylor. Siding looks good. Got a few little small cracks down here, but it ain't bad.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, what the fixes for that?
We'll come on back. Taylor, come on back. We got a little crack over there, small crack.
Yeah, what I wanted. But like I said, I got it. How much it's gonna be? You know, there's nothing free in this.
Let's see. What you got coming out the window? Is that the water for the washing machine?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Everything it's all messed, all jacked up under there. So she got that out there, you know.
We got to get that done eventually.
Yeah.
That water. Okay, you can't have the water just coming outside. All right. Anything in the shed?
No, just stuff I keep in there.
Just Adam, how's the roof?
Pretty good, so as far as I can tell. I mean,
You been up there?
Well, the roof
it's been a
is
while.
okay and stuff, but this one part over here, back at the roof, it got knocked, washer and dryer. I'm gonna get somebody back here. So I've got a little leak every time it rains and dripping.
Oh, I got you. I got you. So let's take a look here. Oh my goodness.
No, I
Sheesh
had somebody
Louise.
else do it. I had somebody else tore it down.
This is a nightmare here.
Down and everything else. Take it away.
You're gonna have to get a panel. Adam, y'all gonna have to get a panel on this thing, brother.
Yeah, I had to take the old panel off cause right here. I got it over
Lord
there.
have mercy. You're gonna have to get that done, man. That's a death trap.
From Walmart.
So remember, I'm just going to be the bank on this one. I'm not interested in doing any repairs. However, I don't want to step into a problem property where someone could get hurt, or a resident or a visitor could get hurt on the property. So I'm thinking right around $1,000 will get this house in good condition. That electrical is my main concern. Little plumbing stuff and here and there, I'm good with that. But that electrical is serious business. Now, if you want, I'm gonna put some videos up in a minute to help you with the lease options at the end of this. In the video description, if you need my lease option documents, you can download them. They're right in the video description. And that video is going to help you understand how sandwich lease options work as well. So you'll see part 2 coming up here in a few days, so you can see how we actually ended up financing this deal for Adam. Okay. Good God. Adam, you with me? You got to have the faceplate, brother.
Gotcha.
Lord have mercy. That's a little scary. House looks clean though, man. Doesn't look super bad. Give him one here from the back. Or we get one from the street.
I got one from the back.
Okay, cool. Lord have mercy, that electrical. All those wires, Taylor. That's just a no-no, man.
What's wrong with them?
All
They're
those-
all plugged in, right?
Yeah, but you see how you saw all those wires? I'll show you what a box is supposed to look like when we get home, but I'll flash one here for my roundup homies so they can see what one looks like. Oh my Lord, those wires. Those wires. Good Lord have mercy. So, tell me what you think, Tilla.
It was okay.
Would you like to live here? Uh-oh. You hear that?
Gunshot.
Gunshots in the middle of the day. Lord God. So in a few minutes, if we hear sirens, we know somebody been took out. Gunshots in the middle of the day. Anytime you hear gunshots at a property, could be concerning. Could be concerning, to say the least. Okay, so you've seen the property, you've seen the numbers. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to make part 2 of this as we continue to put this deal together. You've seen the houses, you've seen the house, you've seen the neighborhood. So I want to know, tell me in the video description below, would you do this deal, putting up that type of money? Would you walk away? What would you do, right? I'm very interested in knowing. I'm extremely interested. So subscribe to the channel, like the content, and I'll see you on the next video. And share with any other people that you know, striving or new investors that need to learn how to make a great real estate deal. I'll see you next time.